Well, I've got a Huawei Bah w09 and it's got the problem with the charging port. It's kind of messed up. But the problem is removing this. This is all attached. Only way is to get through the front, the LCD. But I will have to remove this since this is come off a little bit. Like this has a ways here. It might be easy to remove it than if it didn't have that. So let's try it. Let's see what we can do to this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna warm it up and slowly pry it open, and hopefully it will come off easily. Okay, so I'm just gonna put a lot of these things in there so that it's easy for it to come out and I don't break it, because I've broken a lot of these by removing the screen from this bit again. Okay, there's one wire there. Let's see if I can find the other ones. Let's warm it up some more. So now, since a bit is out, what I can do is I can slowly pull this out while heating it up, because then the glue just leaves the housing slowly. So it might be easy this way, trying to pull out the LCD while heating it up. See, this side is out now. You can go ahead and do the other side. So what I'm doing is I'm slightly pushing this while heating it up. Okay, this is out. So it's got two Phillips screws which are holding the LCD flakes. Let's just remove that and remove the LCD. So this glue just comes off easily. So the charging port is, this whole flex is the charging port. So I could just order this whole thing, but I don't do that. So I'll just be replacing the port itself. I'm not gonna replace the whole thing. Let's see what I can do to this. Let's just remove all the screws first and see what I can do. Out. This is a microphone. So microphone is out. Let's remove those screws as well, and then I can pull the whole thing out and I'll replace the charging port and put it back again, see if it works or not. It should work. We'll see. We will see. Let me remove the battery first, just to be on the safe side. Out. Okay, the battery is out. Like iPhones, this might be glued to the... No, it's not that badly glued. It's alright. Let me warm this up a little bit. Okay, it's out. So what I'll be doing is I'll be placing this, just this bit. Yeah, that's this one. I could replace the whole thing, but if I can change this, I will not be replacing the whole thing. If this whole thing is broken, I'll replace that, but for now it's just this bit gonna change. So let's see this under a microscope, how this looks like. See, this is how it looks like. It's broken. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna replace this bit. I'm just gonna replace this, put a new one on and solder it. So let's reflow all these and flow these. Let me use my bigger solder to clean it up. Doesn't want to come off. Yeah. Fuck off. Out? Yeah, it's out now. Okay, all clean. So I'm gonna use my isopropyl alcohol and my earbuds to do the finishing job. Let's see if this is any movements, if the joints are okay or not. So these all look okay, all the joints look okay. So I'm just gonna flip it upside down and see if I can solder the other side. So this I can solder it a little bit more, make it look a bit better. So this is all done. Let's see if any solder's gone inside the charging port or not. Okay, none of them have gone inside. Let me just quickly clean this. You okay? Let's try this. Let's directly connect this and see if it's charging or not. Okay, taking 31. Light is glowing. Let's just connect this whole thing and connect the LCD and see. Okay, so let's see what this does and we'll see if it's charging or not. It's gonna take a while to charge because I think the battery is completely dead. Okay, it's connected. Now let's see. So it's just taking about 30 milliampere, 300 milliampere, which is not enough, but it will go high once it gets a bit more charge. It's gone up to 51. Yeah, now it's gonna go up. Let's wait for a while, see how it goes on, and then I'll wrap it up and they can take it back. This is charging. See that? It's charging. See? And the light is glowing. See this one? Yeah. Well, this is the best tool to see if it's charging or not. I could see how much current this is taking, how much voltage it is taking. So it's the best tool. So yeah, it's got 2%. So yeah, I'm just gonna put it there properly and glue it. Let's clean this up first. Then I can put some glue and then put the LCD back in. Such an easy way to remove this glue, man. Just roll it out. Just keep rolling. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put my double-sided tape and I'm gonna glue it. Okay. So it's got a bend here. See that? Bend there. Let me just see if I can. Okay, this is no good, but let's see. I'm gonna rubber band it and leave it for tonight, and we'll open it tomorrow, see how this does. Okay folks, this is all done. This is how I replace a charging port on this tablet. The moving the screen part was kind of tricky. The charging port charger is working fine, all good. So this is all done. Thank you very much for your time watching this video. I hope you learned something from it, and if there's any comments, suggestions, complaints, do write it on the comment section. I'm going to reply to you as soon as I get it. Thank you very much for your time. Have a good day. Thank you.